Did you know this cabbage can work like a chemistry detector? Red cabbage contains natural color pigments. When we mix it with water, these pigments come out into the liquid. This purple liquid is called cabbage juice. But in chemistry, it can act as a natural pH indicator. A pH indicator shows whether a liquid is acidic, neutral, or basic. First, let's add something acidic, like lemon juice or vinegar. The cabbage juice turns pink or red because the liquid is acidic. When we add plain water, the color stays purple. That is because water is close to neutral. Now let's try something basic, like baking soda mixed with water. The cabbage juice turns blue or green because baking soda is basic. The secret is a pigment called anthocyanin. Anthocyanin changes its structure depending on the pH. When its structure changes, the color changes too. That's why cabbage juice changes color. Chemistry is everywhere, even inside a cabbage. Subscribe for more simple science.